I segregated the syllabus into 6 7 topics which I have a comfort at. And if I like watch the videos, if I see the concept videos, it will be easier for me to do the questions. Like for example, percentage profit and loss ratios, these are the topics through which you can even solve the DI questions, and there are two DIs in the quant portion. So this way I made a list of 7 8 topics, ages and time and work, and these topics were there. And I like watched videos, YouTube videos of the, like there are certain banking related channels there, which so I watched those videos, and then I started like doing the questions. And questions I did not do the topic wise. I used to sit with the mock interview itself and the quant portion of the mock interview, which I have already given or which is there available free of cost. So I used to with the given amount of time, I used to give myself sub like 30 minutes. If 30 minutes is there, how many questions I'm able to do. So by reverse engineering I did that, by solving the questions. And again, if the questions are not able to solve in the given time I have given myself to, so I used to watch the videos again to understand that where I'm not like able to do it in the like less time, because time management is very important in paper one especially. So this way I did my quant portion, and reasoning also in the same way, 3 4 topics, because reasoning, puzzles and sitting arrangement I did not even touch, because I knew that एक तो उसमें time, it takes a lot of time, और अगर आप फर्स्ट गो में you are not able to like understand और आपका फर्स्ट में नहीं आता आंसर, तो
Correct.
फिर आपको दूसरा पर्सपेक्टिव मिलता ही नहीं कि कैसे सॉल्व किया जाए.
Hmm.
So that I watched some of the videos of 2022 toppers on the EduTap channel itself, and they mentioned कि मतलब if you're not comfortable with, because you are not going there to like score 100 out of 100.
Hmm.
तो अपना, and there is no sectional cutoff as such. तो the strengths आपका जिसमें है, you just prepare that. So in the like reasoning, I syllogism was there, then uh, alphanumeric series was there, uh, blood relation was there. So 3 4 topics I did, and I thought that if there will be question 2 3 questions, then I'll able to do it.
Hmm.
But the questions were not there of these topics. So still I was comfortable because I did the quant and English portion quite well. So you
Okay.
have to understand that.
Okay. So now let's move to the paper two.